Please type your name, first and last name. This is a picture of a website. Please review the text features on the website. Pterodactyl skeleton. Pterodactyls were unique dinosaurs. They acted more like birds than land reptiles. Paleontologists learned this by finding wings when they pieced together their skeletons. Brontosaurus, Stegosaurus, Allosaurus. And this says www.smithsonian.com/fossils/pterodactyl. Number 1. What text feature is not included in this website? Hyperlink, glossary, keyword, photograph. Pause and answer the question. Number 2. What possible sidebar would have worked best for this article? Museum facts, the Ice Age, Tyrannosaurus rex diet, more information on dinosaur skeletons. Pause and answer the question. 3. What are the 3 hyperlinks at the bottom most likely about? These are the hyperlinks. Information on the 3 dinosaur skeletons, information on the 3 dinosaur diets, information on the Smithsonian, how those 3 dinosaurs went extinct. Pause and answer the question. What would be a possible caption for the photograph in the article? Pterodactyl, Tyrannosaurus rex diet, all about birds, herbivores. Grapes. How grapes grow. Grapes are food that need to be grown in a certain way for the grapes to prosper. Grapes grow on a vine that is supported by a trellis. A trellis is a structure for the vines to run along. Grapes will grow in a bunch. Large quantities of them hang in the same place. How they're picked. People going through vineyards to pick grapes need to be choosy to get the best grapes. Grapes from different clusters or groups of grapes should be picked and compared to each other for ripeness. To compare the ripeness, someone picking the grapes should test them. They can be tested for color, flavor, and firmness. Once the best clusters have been determined, they should be cut from the vine. At least half of the stem should be attached. From there, the grapes need to be handled carefully. Grapes bruise very easily. This will lead them going bad quicker than if they would have been handled with care. And over here it says grapes hang in trees while they grow. What text feature is not used in this text? Subheading, sidebar, caption. What is the point of the 3 bold words in this text? To show the new vocabulary words, to show sight words that readers should know, to compare 2 different words. Under which subheading would you find information about ripeness? Grapes, how they're picked, how grapes grow. Packing for flying. Why you should follow directions. When packing your bags for a long trip, it is important to be careful about the specifics of what you need to do for airport security. The TSA, or Transportation Security Administration, oversees the security for airports throughout the United States. They have strict rules about what is allowed in a suitcase. They even have strict rules for carry-on bags. The suitcase will be scanned. There are many things that are illegal to take on the suitcase. You can't take anything flammable or something that catches fire easily. The carry-on bags have even stricter rules. People cannot take liquids or gels of more than 3.4 ounces in the U.S. This includes toothpaste, shaving cream, and many more items. Everything banned from being brought in a suitcase is also banned for a carry-on bag. What text features are used in this passage? Check all that apply. There will be more than one that you will check. Heading, bold print, photograph, caption, glossary, sidebar, illustration. Again, there will be multiple ones that you check off. When you are done, please hit Submit.